What's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Mountain Creek Vlog 18. It is wonderful outside. It's like 65 degrees, kind of cloudy, but it's still super nice out. Everything's super slushy. The snow is really slushy, really fun. I got here as soon as they opened up this lift. And yeah, just gonna be doing a couple park laps. Season's probably ending soon, but whatever. It's gotta come to an end at some point, you know? Enjoy the video, I guess. If you guys haven't noticed, I've been avoiding most of the other trails. I've just been lapping the same thing over and over again. That's because those the other trails like Jumping Jack and like pretty much the whole left side of the mountain is just melting away. Like you could see the ground and there's very small ways to get by without having to go over dirt and like super wet snow and stuff. So I've just been lapping the same trail over and over again, trying to get my tricks down. So yeah, back to the video. Woo! I mean, back to riding. Yeah. Prime example being all of this garbage right here. I don't know where all these snowboarders came from. You got another spot that's being destroyed. Very dirty lake. Yeah, alright. We don't have a dream. It's what you wanted, scream until the scream. This place is haunted. We don't have a dream. It's what you wanted, scream until the scream. This place is haunted. Please don't be shadows. No! Alright guys, quick video, you know, super nice day, but you know, some downsides. My boots and socks were just completely soaked because when you have to go to the lift, like the whole area is just a giant puddle. Fun day on the mountain. What is this? Stop. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment something interesting. Remember, I haven't said it in a while, but I'm mediocre at best, so yeah. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.